So basically I had installed this light right here, so it's way better than using these lights, you know. But this is exactly what I ordered, and I ordered a few of them to put around the house. And I think it comes from Japan or China, one of those. But it's awesome. I bought 4 of these. I had ordered 2 sets, and it was really cheap. And I'm actually ordered 2, but it came 2 each, so I got 4 sets. So I'm happy for that it came and I didn't have to pay that much. And this is where I connected the switch. I can shut it on, shut it off. It's also running from a USB wire. So I connected a Samsung power port. And yeah, and now it's awesome. So it's much brighter than this one. So yeah, I like it.